Hey everybody, my name is Charlie, and my wife got me this beautiful guitar, this Epiphone Starling, for Christmas, and I've been playing for a very long time, for like 30-something years, but I never really learned the theory. And so today we're going to start a 10-minute thing, a 10-minute challenge for myself for the new year for 2025, to do 10 minutes a day to learn something in theory or something new on a guitar that I've really not known what I've been doing for like 30 years. This is just for me. If you guys want to follow along, that's cool. If you don't want to, if you think this is beyond you, that's cool too, but we're just doing it for fun. And so we're going to try to post every day that we can for 2025 and do something new. So today, what I did is I went into ChatGPT. If you don't know ChatGPT, go to chatgpt.com, get you a free account, and it's free to start. My dogs are going crazy in the background. But it's free to start. You can go ahead and tell ChatGPT to do the same thing that I'm doing. And so I asked it to teach me something in theory to review today. And I'm going to go ahead and practice on theory for most of January, actually, for this whole 10-minute thing on here, this 10-minute challenge. And it gave me a C major scale. Now, I knew major scales before, but I've never played it in this position before. So, hey, you live and you learn. We're starting with the basics today. So you want to do open note on the E string. Make sure your guitar is in tune before you start this too. Then you want to do 1st fret E string, 3rd fret E string, open on the 5th string, 2nd fret 5th string, 3rd fret 5th string, open string on the 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, open, 2nd fret, open, 1st fret, 3rd fret, open, 1st fret, 3rd fret. And so it goes a little something like this. And then if you want to add in a couple other notes, you can go ahead and improvise like something like that. But anyways, C major scale has no sharps or flats, as I understand on there from what ChatGPT taught me in the theory today. You guys can correct me in the comments if you want to on here as well. But let's do a little jam and see how this goes. So something that I added in some other notes for color on there because you can improvise these scales, you can add sharps and flats, but C major scale basics, if you're starting out there too, like simple that's no sharps, no flats as I understand according to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to teach me all year and we're going to see how this goes. So again, slowly, it's and if you want to finish the scale out, you can go just to resolve it. So anyways, quick tip too, hold your peg between your thumb and your index finger. I used to switch between my middle finger and this for strumming too, because sometimes you get a better grip with an extra finger on there, but index finger and thumb. Yeah. So that's what I got for today. C major scale. My dog. Ush. Couple color notes. There you go. So, thanks for watching. We'll be back in the next couple of days. I'm going to try to do this every day if I can for 10 minutes. We're at 9-minute mark right now. I'm going to try to do this every day if I can. Some days are going to be busier than others. That's life. If you don't get to practice every day, practice at least 3 times a week is my recommendation. I'm not a professional teacher in guitar. Like I say, I took some lessons for like 2 years, like 30-something years ago, and done pretty good getting through guitar throughout the years and stuff. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.